I'm so happy that you guys are joining us today. Today we are at the beautiful La Samanna. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's a Belmond hotel in Saint Martin. Stunning. And we're going to start this video series off with a room tour. So we're staying in F17. And when you walk in, you will see that you're greeted with the living room area. So there's a nice little couch. I am here for my birthday weekend. So of course the husband hooked me up with a nice little birthday treat when I came in. And there's a TV here, a desk, as well as a little ensuite, like a little kitchenette area, which is actually really convenient. If you guys want to stay in one night and chill out and enjoy the balcony, you can like do a little something there. There is a fridge that is a little stocked. This isn't an all-inclusive hotel, so they kind of give you what they give you, complimentary, and then the rest will be charged to your room. So again, this is the living room area. I'm just gonna leave that front door open because the breeze is so nice. Now, when we came in, they treated us so nice at the reception. They are so friendly right off the bat. They also gave us a little beach bag over there that you see with some towels in it. They were just really, really, really nice. This is an ocean front. Little bit of a disturbance with this white restaurant over here, but that's okay. It's still nonetheless a really beautiful, relaxing room and really nice beach chairs. And you can kind of see the view. Really, really, really pretty. So this has direct access to the beach. What you'll do is you'll go out the front door, you'll make a left, and there's some stairs right there. Enjoying this beautiful, stunning view and lounging on your chairs. You'll go back through these doors, and I'm gonna show you the bedroom. Right through these doors is a bedroom with a queen size bed. Okay, this bed, I don't know if you guys have seen any of our other videos, but I'm very serious about our beds. And the beds and the pillows, very, very nice, perfect. They're very, very good Italian linen sheets. So very, very nice. And there's also a TV in the bedroom, little chair area. A lot of sunlight comes through. The sun is about to set. It's about 6 p.m. right now. So we're actually going to be getting ready for dinner soon. So yeah, still a lot of light, pretty bright. Through this door here is the closet. The closet is really tiny. As you can see, like our luggage is all down there, but that's okay. And then when you come through the closet, you will see your shower. There is a tub that you can soak in, as well as your 2 sinks. We have our products already laid out. And I like that they have some really good products here. These are all from L'Occitane, which is a really great line, which made me happy because I don't want to dry out my skin, but also it's not going to damage my hair. So then again, when you come through the closet, you're back into the bedroom. And that's pretty much it. This was a really nice experience. This is our first Belmond that we've stayed in. And like I said, as soon as we came in, they really treated us really nicely. They were really professional, really kind, but it kind of gives a sense of like a family with all the workers here. Like they're exceptional. I love that type of vibe here. There's actually a gentleman that was painting a really cool painting. I don't know if you can see him. Let's see if I can zoom in on him a little bit for you guys. And if the sun's not too bright, you might be able to catch a glimpse of him painting a beautiful painting. There he is, right there. But yeah, everyone here seems really, really sweet. The guests here seem really, really calm and relaxed. It's definitely not like a party vibe. But again, this is our first night here, so I don't know what's going to happen when the night comes. We'll keep you posted on that.